Damn, David.
Hold up, we got action. We got action, my boy. Alright, what is up, y'all? It is currently like midnight right now. We got a truck coming in. I'm gonna go this way. Just got gas and I just finished eating sushi. And I'm gonna give y'all a quick cut up video on the way home. Got a 20-minute ride home, so we'll see what I can do. I don't want to splash this dude on the bike, you feel me? But freaking, alright, let's go. Alright, so I'm gonna give y'all a quick POV. I was cutting up on the way to the sushi spot, but I didn't record any of it. Actually, I think I got it on dash cam. I'm gonna try and pull that later, see if I can put it in the video. But if not, then yeah, that's my fault. But if y'all enjoy the video, make sure to like, subscribe, you know, do whatever, comment. If y'all in SoCal and y'all trying to link up, do something, just let me know. We'll get that going. But yeah. I'm holding it this time. My fault. This is my first video holding the GoPro. I usually put it on my head, but I'm kind of too lazy to put it on my head. And also it's dark, and I'm trying to give this a little try, you feel me? Because when I put it on my head, you can't even really see because the thing right here. I'm trying to try something different, you know? Yeah, we're just gonna go crazy. I'm gonna use my left hand so I can do turn signals. But I always be using turn signals. I always be using turn signals. I'm not gonna cap. But yeah, let me know how y'all day's going. How y'all night's going. Hopefully it was a good day. Just got off of work too, so you know I just made a little money. But I'm still broke as hell, bro. This car, it don't keep me broke, but shoot, I buy stuff to keep me broke. Hopefully we can find somebody to cut with, because on the way to the sushi spot, the ramen spot, whatever, I found a little guy. He was trying to follow me. He couldn't really keep up, but he was keeping up, you feel me? Like, he would keep up after the fact that I stopped cutting up, so I let him catch up, you feel me? But he's gonna act a little crazy real quick. It's crazy, you can still hear the pops going this speed on the freeway. That's what amazes me, but so, yeah. I'm gonna head home real quick, get into bed, watch some YouTube. Bro, I gotta wake up early tomorrow to take my cousin and sister to school. Bruh, that's alright. I ain't gotta go to my school, college. It's gonna cut up, Infinity. But yeah, let me know how y'all like this camera angle as opposed to the being on the head, or the head mount, the hat mount. Either of those two. The last video I think was with the hat mount. I don't know if it did better or worse. It might have been better because it's lower, so you know you can see more. But I think with this you can see a lot more. I'm probably like right in the damn camera, but like talking right in the thing. The sunroof open, that's why y'all hear the pops. That's a cab, that's a taxi. We got a Mustang right here. Let's see what you're trying to do. Trying to cut up with the Mustang? Let's see if you're on that. Lucky, I feel like people driving at midnight, they be tired as hell. Just trying to go home. I don't even know if they're gonna do anything. That's crazy. Anywho, look like this dude up here going crazy. Bro, people need to stay in their lane. Like, god damn, bro. People be swerving all over the damn road. Like, it's different because I'm using turn signals and I'm staying in my lane. You feel me? But they just be veering off. Like, they dozing off or sleep. Like, bro, wake up. Wake up. Hold on. blur the speed out the whole way. This is like a quick little improvised video. I wasn't even gonna record, feel me? But get over real quick. Nobody trying to do it. Oh, we got a guy coming up right here. Hold on. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Okay, we got action. We got action. Hold up. We got action. Got action, my boy. We got rocks flying everywhere. We on that. We on that. We're gonna follow this Beamer real quick. Whatever you do, I'm doing, my boy. Ain't no traffic, but still. See what type of time he on. Chilling. Sometimes I think people think I'm a cop because of my red lights, but shoot. Probably gonna get off right here, huh? Yeah, you're probably gonna get off. I gotta get off too, I am. I don't know why. You getting off right here, right here? That's a nice Beamer though, huh? I've been wanting a Beamer. I don't even know if I'm gonna get a Beamer or a Vet or a Hellcat next. But at this point, I'm gonna stick to what car I got, and we'll just kind of see from there. Go, bro. You good? Beamer, I gotta get off right here. Alright. I'll probably cut this out into another video, but shoot, yeah. I'll see y'all on whatever next clip it is.